I am dropping off Ayla today. Sobrang busy ng daddy natin. Umalis na si Dan. Mga 6 pa lang ata. Wala na siya sa bahay, guys. Ang aga niya umalis. So, kung ako magta-drop kay Ayla, before ako bumaba, dapat nakabihis na ako. Kasi, para pagdating ko dito, yung focus ko na lang is lunch niya. Tapos, sila. Kaya lang hindi ko pa ginigising kasi ang aga pa. Ang aga ko nagising. Mga 6:30 gising na ako kasi nga si Dan ang aga nagising. Ito yung from Costco na strawberries. Ano siya, guys? Hindi ko alam kung ilang kilo yun, but we paid $25. Or sabi ni Dan, it's not like the best deal daw. But we need a lot of strawberries because my kids. Nagdadala na din ako for Arlo. Kape-kape. Yeah, kapag ako yung maghahatid kay Ayla, inaagahan ko yung gising. Kasi hindi lang ako maghahatid. Kailangan ko pa i-ready yung sarili ko. And si Arlo, ang daming kailangan i-ready. So, dapat mas maaga ako. And kapag kami naghahatid kay Ayla, sinasabay ko na din yung ibang errands na kailangan kong gawin kasi sayang. Lumabas na din naman ako. Dapat may matapos ako sa labas. Alam mo yun? May magawa sa labas. Punta kaming Asian shop ni Arlo. Tapos baka magsaglit kami sa Target. Kasi kailangan ni ate ng mga makakapal na leggings. Lagyan natin apple. Nag-iisa na lang yung apple namin na maliit. And then we add marshmallow, 1 white and 1 pink. Maglalagay ako carrots today. There you go. Hi, baby. Very good to me. Well done. Oh, my love. My baby girl. I'm so proud of you. You getting your lunch ready? Your lunch box. What would you like for breakfast, my love? Sandwich. All right. Give me a hug. Thank you. This girl promised me last night that she's not gonna cry. She told me, Mommy, I will go downstairs on my own and I'm not gonna cry. And she did just that. How good is my daughter? You're beautiful. Thank you. 2 mornings in a row. Kahapon din, bumaba lang siya, hindi siya umiiyak. Well done, baby. I'm so proud of my baby. Nandito pa yung snacks niya from last time. Hindi niya kinakain. But nandyan lang yan just in case. I'll get your sandwich ready. And then you and Mama can sit next to each other and have some breakfast together. What? I'll just get your lunchbox ready. Okay? What color yogurt you want? In your lunchbox. The princess one? You choose. Do you want the strawberry one or something from here? As a ring. Which one? Oh, good choice. You want that one? I love that one.
What's that?
What is it? What animal is that? I'm not sure. It's here, okay?
It's a donkey.
It is a donkey. High five, Smarty Pants.
It's a donkey.
Hop, 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 hop like a donkey. I'll put roll up here. What roll up do you want? The Berrylicious roll up.
A very little one.
Well done. I'll get something.
Mommy.
Hyla's current favorite. Oh no, she doesn't want the tattoo one. Is this okay? You don't want this? That's for Arlo. I'm not doing that for Arlo later. Let me look for another one thing. Nanny will pick you up. Is that okay?
That's not really.
So silang dalawa ngayon, si Ayla at saka si Arlo, sobrang nahihilig sa mga roll-up, guys. Si Arlo wala siyang pakialam kung ano yung laman. Si Ayla ngayon, yung gusto niya yung ganito. Yung berry. And nung nagpunta si Dan sa Kohl's one time, nag-sale siya. Ang daming binili guys, isang bag. Kailangan ko itago. Kasi pag nakita ng mga bata kung saan nilagay, alam na nila kung paano kunin. Drink a lot of water today, ha?
Okay.
Thank you. Kain tayo. Ito lang yung breakfast ko. Shortbread cream. From Arnott's.
Arnott's? Who's Arnott's?
It's a brand. We can go, once we're all ready, we can go straight away. And if we're early, we can play at the playground, no?
Why?
Because we can't go in yet if we're too early.
Where's Mommy? What's the moon? What's the moon, Mommy?
Guys, we're here. We got a park really close to Ayla's classroom, but it's raining. And I have 2 kids. And Arlo is still in his pajamas. Ayaw niya magpapalit. So, dala-dala pa yung damit niya. Where? Mickey Mouse? Yes? You have to wear Mickey Mouse, Arlo.
No.
No, because you're wearing short sleeve pajamas. It's cold outside.
No.
No daw. Patay tayo dyan. Anyway, we have 15 minutes because it's only 8:30 and mag-open yung classroom ni Ayla 8:45. So we're good. We have 15 minutes to convince Arlo to wear his Mickey Mouse.
Mommy, the prize for me?
Bring a surprise?
Yeah.
Maybe. She always brings surprises, doesn't she?
Why?
Here, I'll bako you guys.
Why is it a prize for me?
Because she loves you and she gives you a lot of treats. You lucky girl. Alright, Arlo. I have to put this on you. Okay? Alright, get out.
No, I want to get out too.
Arlo, you have to wear Mickey Mouse.
There's an umbrella.
I know. There is an umbrella.
Oh, there's
It's okay.
right now, Daddy uses umbrella.
Yeah, but can you imagine? Umbrella with you and Arlo. Unless, Arlo, put this on. Yeah. Look, Arlo. Mickey Mouse. Ikaw na talaga dong. Okay, sana kung long sleeve yan.
This one's my umbrella.
No. That's your umbrella. Don't open it yet, ha? Don't open it yet.
This me.
What?
Me.
Kiss you? Kiss Mama.
Where are we with the eyes?
Good morning.
You too, Mommy.
Where are you, Arlo?
So where have to go right now?
Not yet, baby. We're too early. We can't go in anyway. And it's wet, so we can't play in the playground as well. Arlo, jamas! Ayaw niya talaga, guys. Paano na yun? I'll put you in the pram, Arlo. I'll put you in the pram so I can put Ayla's bags in the pram. Oh my gosh.
Mommy, I got this one.
Huh? You don't like this one? Okay. Umiiwas talaga siya sa akin. O ayaw niya talaga magpapalit. Update? Nakabihis na si Dudong! Brinibe ko ng roll up. Sabi ko sa inyo, paborito niya yan eh. Tignan niya. Yes! Naka-OOTD ng buboy ko. At is ready as well. Kanina niya pang gustong lumabas kasi open niya the umbrella niya. Ay, umuulan.
Sissy.
Is that Zizi? No, that's not Zizi's mom. That's not her.
Sissy's mom.
That's not her. I just know. Oh, babe, it's raining. Finish your roll up. Hinati ko guys kasi kapag may roll up yung isa, dapat mayroon din yung isa. Kaya lang ayoko pa ipakain sa kanya yung nasa lunchbox niya. Kasi hindi naman sana yan pa ngayon. Pang mamaya man sana yan, boy. Ano na ibabribe ko sa'yo mamaya? So, gusto ko magpunta ng Asian shop. Yummy? Asian shop. Tapos, yeah, oh my gosh, I need to take the pram out. Tapos, post office, idadrop ko yung Shein return ko kasi hindi madrop ni Daddy. Paka-busy ni Daddy. Hindi niya ma-insert yung drop off na aking return. Aray! And then, meron ako ipipick up sa Woolies na napis nitong dodong natin. Naka-sale kasi, so in-order ko online. Nung nalaman ko na ako magdadrop kay Ayla, in-order ko siya kagabi. To pick up today. At least, marami tayong magawa today. Oh my gosh, it's raining. I'll put you in the pram. Cover you, Alo. And then, I'll put all the bags in the pram. And then we can bring the umbrella, Ayla, you and me. Is it yummy, guys?
It's yummy.
It's raining, I know. I'll take the pram out now, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me Mama's jacket,
Yeah.
baby. Yeah. Give me Mama's jacket. I don't mind rain. I just don't want the kids to get sick. So, suotin ko to ngayon para ilabas ko yung pram. Kung na talaga ang maglalabas ng pram, sobrang lapit lang, guys. But magkabuang-buang ako kung dadalhin ko. Dalawang bag ni Ayla, si Arlo, may umbrella pa. Alright, I'll just take the pram out. Just wait, guys. And we survived. We survived a chaotic, rainy morning. It just makes it harder kapag umuulan. Kasi kapag hindi umuulan, walang kailangang pram. Kasi ano ko lang si Arlo. Palakarin ko lang. May playground kasi dyan sa tabi. But it's raining. But all good. Lock yung ano nila dun. Toilet. Hindi ako nakapag-toilet. Should we go to... You know what, Alo? Let's go to Target first. Because... Yung... Ginawa ko kasi is 11 to 12 yung pick up ng nappies. And in-order ko siya sa kung saan pauwi galing Long Life Asian. And hindi ako magtatagal sa Long Life Asian, guys, because I will only get there maasim na mangga. And kapag umalis tayo ngayon, agoy, wala pang 11, pabalik na tayo. So let's go to Target first because I need to pee anyway. And from Target, Long Life Asian. And then, on the way back, hopefully, we are not too early to pick up the... Papalitan ko ba yung time? And guys, my gosh! Mom's visa got approved. Sobrang bilis, diba? I remember last time, it was quick as well. But now, it's like literally the day after they got the biometrics. Kasi kahapon nagpa-biometrics si Mama eh. Sinubmit ko yung visa niya nung Saturday lang. Like, binayaran ko, sinubmit ko. And then, right away, schedule ko yung biometrics niya. So, Sabado yun sinubmit ko, diba? Monday, nagpa-biometrics si Mama. This is all done online as well. So, yung visa application, I did it online. Yung biometrics scheduling, or yung biometrics appointment, I did online as well. Lahat doon makikita mo online. Magbasa ka lang, makikita mo yung mga links kung saan ka pupunta. I-select mo lang yung city mo. So, nagpa-biometrics siya kahapon, which was Monday, 1:00 ng hapon. And early morning, nakatanggap ako ng email. When did they send that to me? 2:48 in the morning. So, parang automatic na siya, guys. 2:48 in the morning, visa is granted. Sobrang bilis lang. Like, maybe right after nila na-receive yung biometrics ni Mama, in-approve agad nila. And she got multiple entries. Kaya lang, 1 year lang siya. So, 1 year multiple entry. Date of grant, 4th of June. Tapos, it's valid until 4th of June, 2025. So, next year. But multiple entry. So, ganun pa din. Pag pinapunta ko siya next year, mag-a-apply pa din ako kasi 1 year lang siya eh. Pero at least, nakastart na tayo dun sa multiple entry. Hopefully, pag nag-apply ako ng visa sa kanya next time, gawin na nilang mas mahaba to, like 2 years siguro. Multiple entries, 3 months each visit. Hopefully next time, more than 1 year na yung i-grant nila. Kasi once a year lang naman yung plano namin na papuntahin siya. Ang aga pa guys, 8:56. We'll go to Target, which is not far at all. Navigate to Target.
Getting directions to Target.
Dito na kami sa Target. Hinahanap ko yung ito. Toasty leggings at tawag. Ayan. Makapal siya for winter. Kaya lang, gusto ko itim. Walang itim. Dito na tayo sa pang baby. Kuha tayo ng yung mga ganyan walang paa. Yun ay maganda, yun yung checkered. Tapos merong rainbow dun sa baba. Yun. Yung orange. Tingnan nyo to. 5 na lang guys. Ang cute-cute niya. 5 na lang siya. Kaya lang alam kong hindi ito magagamit talaga yung mga ganito. Ang cute! May mga nakasale dito yung iba. $3 na lang. Ayun, $3. Oh. 00. Di din yan. Di magmamaong yung baby. Uy. Ito mga ganito leggings siguro. Dito na tayo. I parked right in front because look at our dudong sleeping. And yung pupuntahan ko dyan talaga is yung mangga lang. So, kargahin ko lang yan si Dudong. Kaya yan. Kargahin ko lang siya. Kunin ko yung mangga. Bayaran. Kaya ba? Actually, I did bring the travel pram. Yung maliit na pram. Kasi alam niyo yung shop na to. Maliit siya. So, medyo mahirap i-maneuver yung malaking pram. I'll try and put him in the pram. Ayoko sana siyang matulog pa muna. Ay, nag-text na sa akin yung Woolies na ready na for pick up yung aking nappies. So, yeah. Lagay ko siya sa pram, guys. Para makapag-ikot-ikot tayo dun saglit. Dito na ako sa Woolies direct to boot na parking. First time ko mag-ganito. Tinanong sa app kung ano yung bay number ko. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung bay number ko. Pero may option naman na sabi, I don't know my bay number. Is that mine? That's mine! Kumakain ako guys. Ang bilis lang. As in, sobra. Kuha ko na yung napis kong apakadami. Nag-order ako ng marami kasi naka-sale. And yung bay number pala nasa taas. Yung parang nasa poste. Akala ko kasi nasa floor. Nasa taas pala siya. Ayun ay. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. Ayan. Bay number 5 ako. So now I know for next time. Tinanong ko siya, saan mo makikita yung bay number? Sabi niya, it's up there but it doesn't really matter, sabi niya. Sabi ko, well, para lang alam ko next time. What? Yes. Oh, wow! Dami ko piniling napis, guys. 7 packs. Yan, nandito din yung mga binili ko sa Target. Wala akong dalang bag. Hindi, Jamas. Wait, saan? Lagay ko lang siya sa pram eh. My tubig, my bag, my phone. And ito lang yung binili ko sa Asian shop. Mangga, 2. And yung parang malaking binangkal nila na malambot. Meron pala kaming malaking box, pero hindi ko muna yan i-unbox. Ano to, regalo, galing US. Yan lang sa PO box namin. Bukas namin yan i-unbox kasama yung mga bata. Pakita ko lang yung nabili namin sa Target. Ang cute! So, si Ayla meron siyang robe kasi malamig na guys. Peppa Pig yung kanya bigay ni Mers. Tapos si Arlo wala. Ito naka-sale. Timing na timing. Size 2 from $22 down to 11. And gusto ko yung kulay niya. Disney pa pati ito. Lion King ata to. Ang ganda. $11 na lang. And then I got 2 jumpsuit for baby. So yung mga nabili ko ngayon is for new baby at saka newborn. Kasi parang yung sa Kmart 40 yung size. Ito 3. Ito new baby to. Ang cute, diba? Ganyan lang. Ito yung gusto ko, yung walang built-in na paa or socks. At saka zipper lang siya. Yung print na yan at saka ito ang cute. That was 4 zeros. Ito 3 zeros lang to. 0 to 3 months yan. And then, ito yung talaga yung pinunta ko sa Target. Eyelash leggings. So, they have the toasty legging. It's a thicker leggings. Perfect for like ngayon, malamig, ganun. Kasi yung mga kay Ayla, yung mga regular na leggings lang. And then I got her this one as well. Gusto ko sana black nito. Wala talagang black. Meron siya blue at saka light gray. So I got the pink of that. And then yung black, binili ko yung flare. Kasi makapal din siya, guys. And then I got myself leggings. So I'm not sure kung napanood niyo yung isa sa mga vlogs ko nung matagal na. Nag-declutter ako ng mga leggings. Tapos yung mga maninipis na leggings na nabibili ko sa teen section sa Target or sa Kmart, I got rid of it kasi manipis siya. And kailangan ko ng isang leggings na medyo makapal. So I got this one. Not medyo, makapal talaga to siya. This is from Target Youth, size 10. Tinry ko siya doon and kasya naman siya sa akin and nabababa ko naman siya. So I can use this while pregnant. Yun lang yung nabili ko sa Target. It's 12:04. Kasi nagpunta ako ng post office, nakuha ko ito, may package ako. And na-drop ko na din yung Shein return ko. After ng post office, nag-drive pa ako, guys. Kasi si Arlo, inaantok. Nagising siya sa Asian shop kanina. So pagbaba ko sa kanya, paglagay ko sa pram, nagising siya. And hindi na siya nakatulog ulit. Tapos in-extend ko yung drive ko. Hopefully matulog siya. Hindi siya natulog. Gising na gising. So mamaya na yan matutulog. Okay lang. Kainin lang natin to. Wala na. Busog na tuloy ako. Lunchtime na. Pero okay lang, walang pressure today because Sharon is picking up Ayla. Gusto niya siya mag-pick up today, so Nana's picking ate. Alright. Gusto na sanang i-open ng kids yung box, kaya lang, gusto ko kasi kapag na-open ko siya, i-put away ko siya agad-agad. And hindi pa ngayon, kasi kailangan ko pa i-put away itong mga pinick up ko. Plus, I need to fold the clothes as well and put away the clothes. So, bukas na lang. Bukas. Para after open, maput away na natin agad. Kasi malaki siya. Madaming laman yan for sure. No?
Nah, they had all the other sizes and the less size pies. Yeah, someone else. That's alright. Don't worry. So then the ladies are like, oh, you have to either buy something in the store or take it home.
And?
So I said, I'll buy a gift card.
Okay.
She goes, can you do that? I said, well, why not? She goes, I said, did you charge for gift cards? She goes, no. I said, alright, I'll buy a gift card. She's got all these gift cards. That's fun, okay?
Dami kong biniling napis, guys. Wrong size. Giahat.
Whoa.
Dami nun. Ano ba yung nakapasok sa utak ko? Uy. Size 6 yung binili ko. Size 5 si Arlo. Tapos inopen ko talaga yung isa para lang i-try ba. Baka mag-work na. So, dumating actually si Dan ng maaga. Mga alas 5, nandito na siya, mga 5:30. Tapos, pumunta ng shops para i-return yung aming napi. Tapos, ayaw nilang mag-refund. So, binili niya na lang ng gift card. Alright, come on, baby. You ready, babe? Ito yung dinner namin ni Dan sa isa salad. Oh, milk! Yep, coming.
Come on, come on.
Hello, finish your dinner, mate. Stop, daddy. Nasa ano na naman? Shoulders ni daddy. You can have 3 eggs. I just want one half. Hello, finish your food.
Arlo won that. Arlo, didn't you win that for Arlo? Arlo won this.
I know, he loves it. Napunta sila ng shop, so syempre may toy na naman si ate. Yung maliliit na toy, yung sa parang vending machine.
You like yours as well, Arlo?
Yung na may mga toy sa mga bilog-bilog. Yun yung gustong-gusto ni Arlo, yung maliliit. Daddy will sit next to you.
Oh.
Daddy will sit next to you, Ayla.
I'll sit there. Oh, you're a dinosaur. It's a yellow dinosaur. Come here, sit down. Eat your food.
It's Daddy.
Daddy's inside. Peeing.
Daddy, that's Daddy.
Guys, naka-pajamas pa kami.
Daddy, that's Daddy.
But we will go out.
That's Daddy. Inside your car.
Maga pa actually, but
Where's that, guys?
dapat nasa bed na kami ngayon ni Ayla. Kasi tutulog na yan siya.
Daddy.
But matutulog yan siya sa car. Papetrol lang kami. Gutom din ako guys. Nagugutom ako do. Watch out Ayla, don't
kick the chair.
Papetrol lang kami tapos bili ako hotdog. Kasi nagugutom ako. Salad lang yung kinain ko kanina. Tapos okay lang sana kung salad. Kasi meron naman yung bacon, merong croutons. Kailangan konti lang ng kinain ko. Tapos kailan na yung...
you stay in the car because it's cold.
Yeah, it is cold.
Don't know you get sick earlier.
Turn on our heater. Let's heat up our butt. Yan lang guys. Petrol lang kami. Yun lang yung gagawin namin. Thank you guys sa panonood ng vlog namin today. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon.